Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change your text size in iPhone. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your settings and then you will comes in this page. As you can see, your home page of your settings. So you have to do is click on display and brightness at the bottom, and then you have to do a scroll down. As you can see over here, text size, simply click on text size and then you will see over here at the bottom, arrange your text size over here like that. So you can see on the display the text size is changing. So once you are feel that it's you can do it like that. So like once you are satisfied, you have to do is then go back, and then it's gonna be change your text size as well on your iPhone, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.